Ladies and gentlemen, this election is about accountability. Akufo-Addo is doing everything to impose his puppet and his poodle in Bawumia so that he will escape accountability. But he lies back. Operation Recover All Loot is coming for them. They will pay for the state capture. They will pay for the dissipation of our resources. They will pay for the corruption. Everybody will pull out their monies from under their beds. The Sicilia Dapa syndrome is coming to an end. They will account for their crimes, their atrocities against the Ghanaian people.
Abusia Enra ena NDC party no edine rally a etwato kra se ne nyenim se echina memene dey ena Ghana eba beto yaba no enu ntina enho akohia se political parties nyina ede o rally nyina eba wieti Enra ena rally checheche pa ewo Madina na enye asem ketwa ekuku demewo NDC mu enintire ne titire wo nyina ebe pie mu ewo Madina ede wo mu nsem a etwato etu dwa na se ne enipa bufa so ene traffic Enra echi wo Madina ne ebia na wanya kwan ankwa nkwohwe ni bia na se wanya kwan entimi ankwa kopie mu wo Madina e course wo nyina eba besum to bese so benya botra atweme na yafa Dr. Abednego contact ewo screen no ase na ya friend for all our spiritual problems afei too much GH eya subscribe ma page na femi adoma no so se na ebe na upload bia ba unsa ebetimi aka ebusia ma yenkwo se na NDC for rally last round no ekon.
Ladies and gentlemen, this election is about accountability. Akufo-Addo is doing everything to impose his puppet and his poodle in Bawumia so that he will escape accountability. But he lies back. Operation Recover All Loot is coming for them. They will pay for the state capture. They will pay for the dissipation of our resources. They will pay for the corruption. Everybody will pull out their monies from under their beds. The Sicilia Dapa syndrome is coming to an end. They will account for their crimes, their atrocities against the Ghanaian people. Operation Recover All Loot is going to happen. President Akufo-Addo will not get insurance. He will not get protection from imposing his poodle and his puppet on us. Can you imagine? When President Akufo-Addo said he was going to protect the public purse, we didn't know that we will spend all our time protecting the public purse from him. Can you imagine that? When Bawumia said that the era of single sourcing and inflated contracts is coming to an end, we didn't know that what he actually meant is that when it is single sourcing of his brother's company, Resource Access Limited, which has won over $200 million in contracts under dubious single source circumstances, that one he doesn't see it, that one he doesn't criticize it, that one he doesn't talk about it, that one he doesn't stop it. But their time is up. The Ghanaian people have made up their mind.
Efisɛ nea ɛyɛ me nafofo a ɛwɔ saa party mu ɛka kyerɛ me kokoam ɛne sɛ President Mahama, Akufo-Addo ne Bawumia ɔmo government yi agu yɛ party ho fi, agu yɛ party anim ase. Enti Kenya wo ho na ko okuden na ma ye party no enko opposition. Every say ye pese ye ko opposition na nipa kakra omo agye ye party aboso no ye gye ye party efri omonsem ni esiesie ye party ni biom ansa ne abepre abatu biom ezu eza Efie watching Nana Akufo-Addo any Bawumia beji or mine no. And some more Moka 2016. And then what can Moka ye now can send your Moka no now Omubufu. Nanya Mina Mekaye and yan this for Nekaye. Omakasa Obian Fasikan to Omukum so Mokan Yomokano. Ghana yeye mobododo Ghana nye hiamai yeti sikaso eswe komde wane kai me nada Akufo Jack Toronto ne kai Eza teachers are suffering, nurses are suffering, and farmers are suffering, policemen are suffering, doctors are suffering, and everybody is suffering. Mina be kind. Omo de ka umasem. You can do all the propaganda with the economy you like. If the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. Eza Samreno na omundi omaine soda. Nti na omodwe se eyemre. Omo hwe se ne yebu omaino eko ana enioma eko so. Na omodwe se edafom. Na maybe me ka se trade fair me ka kire omo. Me say, hey, Moshe said, ye nyoma ye jumei. Mundi president down. And the Mamun Jane said, ye easy, ubi abeti me aye. Na nyamincha de. Nyami de, o yengwa agwangwa de. If we say, 2016, Obeka said, ye call abatwa ye din kugono na nyame empe asem enso ene be hwe machira a oditu mi ne hye omunsa ene sebe omoto adadi ne ombe ya na omaye no bibia mbeka ho manati Ghana henyina bebia mekobia ahemfo nyina omo se namo ye kwan bebia mojae no ehwa na aka namo si school dan bebia mojae no ehwa na aka namo twekania bebia mojae no ehwa na aka namo mayesio bebia mojae no ehwa na aka ezu eza na 16 regions nyina mako ahefo asofo imamfo amafo nyina 16 regions nyina obia je tumu se abato ayebetui nyame adawromanti yesu adawromanti inshallah NDC bedi kunim meme da ebe asofo eni imam nyina bompaye eba NDC sa yendi kunim wa batonum na minim se nyame etie omompaye bo na kunim de so be ye dia nyame adumunti ezu minuanum bebi bebre ameko obi ase president Mahama ye beto ama ezu yesrew boy yaba no ho ban na de abeka che omo ne se aba ye nyina beto no ye nyina ene bebo ho ban enti bebi amako bia amaka che Ghana fo se woto aba na woto wia se woni bibia ya wo de nante ho se wo bibia wo de ko na ekobo 5 asambra na be hwe se ne be kan aba no wo video camera twa ye nyina ene be bie ye ni se ne be ya bato ne be ya frenchim ezu moi ye yi mo se mo kotna abato na no ye party agents branch executives ward coordinators musika ye di tuamo ye de come regions into obia ebenya ne de into obia enye adwumaden se ne be ya ye bebo abato no ho ban afi we de ye nae ye to abani ya ye nyina ye na kopem se ye be bo results no na Madam Jean Mensa Ebeka said, I wish to declare the winner of the 2024 presidential election and is the candidate of the NDC, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Ezu enyame adom ebebam abamu ewie ezu eza manyane ntiye se omo starte chiche sika ejuma ni efe ni MBSSI senia omo ye no 2020 no omo ashasi biom omo for mobile phone numbers and omo de sika etum na me de ni ameka ne se obi a otibe ye asa sika no beba bedo wo mobile so anase ye beba be kan ahye wonsa mesrew eye wo fifre sika eye wo bre sika sa sika no je na ye den na di enso wo koto aba kai efie wo twe a ohia achewo kai ahokyira wonamu kai ejuma a wonya bi nye kai yesika sema asai na koto abapa ema NDC yeda achi abato ene ebeto ene katasi shene proye ajigana hanyina Abraham yema penyi national service yebeto se na omudi dini bi aka ho ena omu yesika no yema BNI ekoye nhwem ye pam national service officers 110 ye yomo ewe jumam ebi mu ye de omu kogina court chese na asem no court enne mikotia ye senior ye kon etia ye no akufado ne Bawumia asa de aba national service for muntu omuka mudi omuka be 6 months allowances and so much be gumu asaman kwa ene wom bosumi bia mu yi sika no bosumi bia ye say omunya 28 million Ghana cedis bosumi bia aden na mo de sika na ko hihye mo mpaase na mo kwa ni mo ebusia ene nya ho faso hwe airport amisi ye airport ni nyina ye see $250 million terminal 3 na mo de e-gate per ebesi ho a e-gate no bo exchange terminal 3 ni nyina ezu na munim adikrontia akufo ado ataso se opese Bawumia ebeje akonya no ebe se opese obekata neto se na be ya ombenya asumdwe no makodi omsika eso embasoda tweda mponyankopo nim se NDC ene beba na ye banso asika omo awie nyina japade a Ghana for japade omo afom ye bedi omo echi ni age ya de asa de abema Ghana for ezu eza Ora Bawumia say we are moving from taxation to production. Meanwhile, Okasa not the 20 be air kaho, not the 20 be air kaho. And Ghana, and I yet 12 doors to change Africa main na. 1890 say yeba. Ilevia ya kase momo fantosuno. Yebe ye free ho. Ezu. Emaburu metie mo sufre. Mo betting tax no so ye be ye free ho. Ezu COVID levy ye be ye free ho. Eza Emenaso.
Wherever NDC has been trying to organize a function, they use state powers to undermine that. But let them understand this message, that whether we hold a rally or we don't hold a rally, the people of Ghana have decided. And the decision is that John Dramani Mahama is the next president of the Republic of Ghana. And NDC is at the verge of making history. The National Democratic Congress is going to be the first political party in the history of this country that will generate the first female vice president of the Republic of Ghana. And it's already happening live. But finally, ladies and gentlemen, I want to urge you, all of a sudden, MPP itself have found reason to campaign for President John Dramani Mahama and to campaign and urge you to work and campaign against our parliamentary candidates. Tell them that we have seen through all their tricks. President Mahama is going back into office with a solid majority in parliament. We are not going to fall for the tricks of the skirt and blouse people. We are voting President Mahama and voting our parliamentary candidates. And standing here and having worked with the 276 parliamentary candidates of this party across the country, I am convinced that we are returning back into office with a very strong majority in parliament. I want to thank all the parliamentary candidates for the hard work they have put in so far. I want to thank all the party executives from national to foot soldiers. I thank you very much.
Interbusia say ena rally no ekọ ya nam dia babeso mo afi yate ensem ne yehu nipa na eno ena yebisa se edom etimi ma yewini abato dia ene na edom ye yehu ye ewo NDC rally asiniamafo e chere se NDC for da wo mo nefi se dom we de bibia chere se wo ma fampa na se beye na edom ne chere anase edom ne enche no ento ase echina memne enko na wiye no ena ebehu bibia susan odebode ho no ebefa ma yehu comment ewo video ya sina fi won ya subscribe button ne so eye too much gh ya fa be on ka ho se na be na upload bia ba unsa ebetimi aka all the social media handles so ko ho a eye too much gh eye like na share wo ho so efama me macra